Hello everyone, welcome back once again, and today we are going to look at unique function which was introduced in 2019, and it is available in Excel 2019, Google Sheet and Excel 365. The unique function is a powerful formula which allows you to extract unique values out of a list or range. It allows you to extract the unique values in two ways. First, it will extract unique values which is in the list more than once, or even if it is a single time. And in the second part, it will extract only values which occurs only once in the entire list or range. So to understand better, we will be looking with the example. So let's do it. So here we have a table in which there are some data of cells of different department of different states, and we are going to extract the data, unique data, out of the list. Here in this case, electronics is occurring more than once. By using unique function, you are going to get only one electronics. Means if your name is written multiple times, instead of this electronics, you just put your name. Say suppose your name is Rohit. Rohit 5 times is written. So I want a unique report of how many names is written. So Rohit might have been repeated several times, but when we want to count the unique member of the organization or the firm or the office, then we will be counting the Rohit only once, right? Instead of counting Rohit multiple times, we will be counting only once. So in that case, unique can be used. And here in clothing, so it will extract only one clothing. Like that in the snacks, we have only one data, but still it will be extracted. In the second part, which we can extract the data which occurs only once. So how both part will work, we will see with the example. All right. So the syntax of unique is there is only one compulsory argument to be passed and two are optional. The formula is equal to unique. Array means the data out of which you want to extract the unique values. So here we are going to find out the unique department. So we will be selecting the department column. So select, Control Shift down, it will select the entire data in the range. Then it is asking whether you want to extract the data by column or by rows. See, as we have explained in the chapter number 31 also, column by unique column will apply only when you have the data in the horizontal format. Most of the tables are in a vertical format, in which the heading will be in the column and its item will be in separate different rows. Okay, so this table is also vertical table. So in such table, we are going to use unique by return unique rows. By means false, we have to select the false. Even if you don't select the false or true, Excel will automatically select false, because false is the default setting of the Excel. But still we will be selecting false. Then it is asking whether you want to return the item which occurs only once or the item which occur more than once. So here in the first case, we are going to select those items which are occurring more than once, and also once, means having the unique values. It will also select the items, the department which is occurring once and also more than once if it is false, and the default setting is also false. See, so we have to select the false, then bracket close. So it is giving you the data, one from electronic, one from clothing, one from toys, and one from snacks. All right. So if we change this toys to ABC, it will still select another one, ABC, because this is a unique item in the list. So this will find out how many members unique members is there in organization. So suppose your name is Mr. X, other one is Mr. Z, Mr. Y. So if I am writing his name again and again for different dates and want to count the number of employee or number of person member working in that organization, if I count all the names listed in the data, then it won't give you the correct number of members, right? But by using this unique function, we will be able to count what is the exact number of member working in that department or in that organization. So this is the one way. Then we can count the unique count. Unique count, either we can do like count A. Why it is count A? Because count A counts, it is a count. Count A counts text as well as number. Here we are going to count the text. So in that, when we want to count with text, data with text, then we have to use count A. If we use count, then it will only count the number. So the text here, the field here, data which we have here is text, so we have to use count A. See, when I select A, B, C, that F6, then there is a hashtag. Why it is hashtag? Because this is a dynamic array, dynamic range. Whenever this figure is updated according to this data, this selection will also change. It will also incorporate. So let's see here how many figures it gives. It is giving 2. So let's change this to false again. False. Then it is giving 5 numbers and it automatically changes, because this hashtag will select the figure which is updated according to the changes in the database. So it is dynamically, it is selecting. So instead of this count A counting this figure from here, we can also count from here directly by using this formula combination of count A and a unique function, like this: count A unique, then give the array, then false, then false. It is also giving 5. So if I delete this one, still it will count 5, because I am not referring this data cell range to this data, but I am referring directly to the table. All right, now let's do list of department occurring only. Now we are going to use the table array. Advantage of using table instead of simple data is that when I am referring the data to a table, so any changes, any update in the data, any expansion made to the data will automatically update it here. But that is not the case in case of simple data. I have to select the range again. So it is always better to make data in the table if you have something to be expanded or something to be updated later on. Okay, so formula is same: unique array. Instead of selecting the entire range, I can simply refer to table. Okay, the table name is table diff4. Okay, entire data is selected, but I need only the department, right? So I have to press third column, then select the department, third bracket close, and then bracket close. Only once. Sorry. Here we are going to find out data which occurs only once. False. Then only once means true. So here it is only snakes. Snake is there. Let's see. Here snake. So let me change this to ABC and see if it changed. Yes, it is updated ABC. And if I update something here like XYZ, it is also updated. Okay, so anytime I update here in the table, it will automatically incorporate. But here in this case, let unique array. I'm going to select this array, then false, then false. Next is there. Then I will change here something, x, y, z. Let's see if it updates or not. It is not updated because the range I have selected is from A6 to A21. This is A6 and A21 here. So if I want this data also to be included, then I have to change this range from A21 to A22. So it means that every time I update something here, I have to change the formula. I have to update the formula. So that is not advisable. That is not a wise method. So instead of doing that, you can simply change this data into table. So changing data from to a table means you need to click anywhere inside the data. Anything here, here, here. It should be inside the table, means data. Then press Ctrl T and it will convert into table like this. Alright, let's undo it, since we have already one table here. And now we are going to find out the unique in both department and Indian state. Instead of finding the uniqueness from department only, we are going to find out from Indian state as well, both together, but for which we are not going to write the formula separately. We will be writing the formula in one cell only, unique. Here, instead of selecting only this department column, we are going to select the both column. So instead of selecting the column, we can just simply refer to the name of the table, that is table diff4. So when I refer table diff4, it has already selected the entire table. See, up to here it is already selected. All right, now bracket close simply, and it will select the unique department as well as unique Indian state. So here you may say that electronics is repeated more than once, but if you see the combination, then it will be only once. See, electronic and Punjab is only once, electronic Maharashtra, electronic Kerala, electronic Gujarat, electronic Delhi. So combination is a unique, even though electronic is not unique, but the combination of electronic and Delhi is unique. But if I change here one more item, electronics, then Delhi is already there, right? Delhi is already here, so I will be writing here Delhi again. It is still selecting only electronic Delhi. It has not increased electronic Delhi again. But if I change this one to Manipur, then it will increase the electronic and Manipur, because combination of electronic and Manipur is unique. All right, so this is how we can extract any unique value from a given list or range in the Excel. And I hope you like it, and if it solves your problem, then please do like the video and also share to your friends, okay, because we have to learn together. And the next lecture we will be learning something new. Until then, bye bye, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.